Everybody, Darren Mulo here, certified trainer for 3 to 5 years now, 5 to 6 different certifications, train athletes, train people of all ages, and today going to the gym specifically and just finished a workout. By the way, I noticed a lot of things and getting things back to normal, sort of. So there's a lot of guidelines, a lot of rules, and this video I'm gonna explain how you can get a better workout to get in and get out with all these obstacles in the way. So one of the things I paid attention to today, specifically when I was working out, is finding a way to use less machines and get more workouts in and leave quickly. So a way to do that is supersets, drop sets, try sets with each muscle group. So today, for example, I started with incline dumbbell press, then did some incline flies and some close grip presses with lighter weight. That was just for chest, and for shoulders I did like shrugs in different directions, lateral raises, seated and standing. So if you can find a way to do multiple exercises on that same machine, it's going to benefit you even more. Instead of doing one thing here and then going over there, coming back and your machine isn't available anymore because someone else took it. So what you guys should do when you're doing your workouts, especially now with all these restrictions, all these rules to follow, just bear one thing in mind. You want to get in, you want to get out. So as soon as you get a machine, a bench, find 2 to 3 different exercises for that machine you can do, right? So I'd pick a compound, I'd pick isolation for one muscle group. So it's going to be hard to do with machines specifically, but with dumbbells and barbell, you can do that, right? So for each muscle group, you're going to do 3 to 4 exercises. 1 compound, 2 to 3 isolation for each muscle. And once you're done, you can move on to the next. Instead of going from here, then going there, then coming back, and your shit's gone, right? So that's something that can help you guys. And also, when you're walking in, you have to know exactly where you're going to start, exactly where you're going to go. Because the longer you take time to decide the longer time you're giving them decide to take it from you, basically. So those are the things that I found help today. I got everything done in 45 minutes, did about 8 to 10 exercises, had a good pump, felt great, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. That might be busy, that might have work after. This is something to keep in mind. Get in, get out. And the best ways to do that is supersets, trisets, and drop sets, and using very little machines, very few equipment to do that. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, make sure to share with somebody that may find these tips useful, and make sure to check out the page for more tips, more tricks, and things to help you out on your fitness journey. So yeah, like always, get better every day, optimize yourself.